When you go back, why you keep it as a secret?
Why you think I'm keeping a secret from you? You know what I'm saying?
Because you not tell me nothing. I love when you talk like that though.
I think you worry too much though. You know what I'm saying? Everything is gonna be alright. You don't have to worry about anything. It's gonna be good.
I know you're not gonna forget me still, even after you signed that big contract.
Yeah, you know, I'll never forget you, maybe. You know I love you, and when I sign that contract though, you're gonna be there with me.
Same thing you did tell Poochie.
Poochie? Poochie was a past, man. You are my future, you know what I'm saying? You're my priority right now.
Hope you not still tell Poochie say you love her now, because I'm the one now.
Definitely, and I'm on the same page with you. Come on, let me give you a hug. You going? You gonna leave?
Yes, I have to leave now.
Why is that?
You know my brother stay.
Brother, I leave my going like say I'm seeing to and I be a gun myself. I watch you. I know where I watch you for.
The other night you drop me off, him see. And when I wake up in the morning, he not stop asking me question.
Really? Anyway, you see a look at you, baby. I love you. Let me see a look at me. Chano, youth. I'm like every woman me have, I just be a watch it for my brother them have. Chano.
Fight for your right. Always listen now. Fight for your right. Always. Buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to use, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fighting. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. Yo, Mojo.
I want my general.
I did.
Yeah, man.
Yo, Flex get the song?
Most when they fly out, some never get to see that thing already, you see me?
Oh, okay. Forward back, man, you just make it
That's a simple thing that.
Think you more like it, you hear that?
I love it.
See?
What?
But yo, Mojo. You know, I ask you differently though if you can find a beat for me.
Yeah,
I look for that beer, find my beer. Hold on, let's show you.
Yeah, man.
You know that girl, she tell me about she named Passion.
Oh, that be there. Yeah, man, I know her, man. But I don't know her as Passion.
What you mean?
Stephanie that daddy.
Stephanie?
Yeah, man.
So that girl, man, liar dinner, man.
Up at Scuba Dub she work, man.
Scuba Dub, but where that there again?
Up on the hill, man, after you turn in at the Texaco gas station, then go straight up.
You sure you say what you work,
Yeah, man, then the sound of plate was so straight, man. I think I know that, man, for a fact.
Alright, let's stay alright. Try.
Oh, move on. Watch out. I cheat one step.
No, why you say that?
I mean, show me girl on the phone. Why play?
Nothing like that. Something like that.
Cheat.
But yo,
Up top.
how I go with you, Flex? Me I say I think go on with him. Good?
No, man. Nothing like that, man. Right now, a bigger thing I go on for the artist. In fly out and fix things. You see me? Alright.
Me I go cut off the strings of Babylon, know it midnight. Babylon, you try so hard to wreck me life, but Jana sleep.
Hey, Desiree girl, what's up? I'm Wallace, I'm here. You know, I'm okay. I'm alright. I've moved on. Boy, you take the breakup easier than I thought.
I'm well over that right now. I move on. Trust my Paulette, I move on.
Boy, I know, I can't believe that Sean really did stay away, you know. But I can't believe it, you know. What else to do?
What you holding up though?
You know, so me alright, me good man.
It's me. Knowing you have something up your sleeve. Come on, girl.
No, sir, nothing like that, trust me. Hey, just forget it anyway.
Desiree, a pilot you talk to.
You know what? I've moved on with my life. All is well. I don't know, it's been hard, but hey.
Wow.
All right.
That's
all right.
amazing.
Yeah.
You know what? You guys look so good together.
Pilot, me good, man. Me tell you, me good. I'm over it. So anyway, you know, nobody can fix computer.
As a matter of fact, I do. You don't know a Jigga?
Oh, really?
Jigga the best thing done upon computer.
I lie.
Oh, yeah.
So
You never
tell
know that.
stuff for link him for me, no, man. Trust me. So everything go with you?
Yeah, man, everything
So
Jiggy,
come
man.
have lunch and I'm hungry. I'm not eat from
Not a problem. I'm starving.
Come on.
Too. All right.
Yeah, Kush. Yeah. A sharp boss. But don't tell us you don't have nothing to worry about, you know. You're going like you know one side phone, brother. You're going like you know one deal with the thing. You don't have nothing to worry about, dog. Everything good. Yeah, man, I tell us you don't have nothing to worry about, man. Thing good. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. You alright? Need any help?
Yeah, I just need to get to where I got the guy just shut down for me. I don't know what to do.
Alright, no worry yourself. By myself. May I take a look at it for you, okay? Alright, hold on.
Thank you.
Mechanic
Just
work.
please, work your magic and so you can do for me,
Yeah,
here?
man. Yeah, man, sure, no problem.
I come, I call them people and tell them, say,
Okay.
I so come here.
You're gonna be late. I see. Yeah, man, we do have the same problem now another time. Alright, let me try it now. Yes, sir. Alright. Okay. So, I'm gonna need you to try and start by the car one more time for me, okay, sweetie? You see?
Oh my God, thank you, man. I can't believe it. You
I
don't
know,
know what you do for me a while ago.
I mean, it's a pleasure doing something for a beautiful lady
Oh
like
my
yourself.
God, man. So what's your name?
I mean, my name is Peter, but you can call me Pete.
Hi, Pete.
Nice to meet you, but I didn't get your name.
I'm Desiree.
Desiree.
Yes.
I can't shake your hand because my hands are really dirty.
That's okay. Touch me though. Man.
Okay, so about your car. You having a little battery problem, corrosion. So you have to bring that to a mechanic to get it looked at with
Okay.
a professional, okay?
All right then.
Yeah,
I
man.
will do that.
One more thing I want to add to that too. You think we could go like and lunch sometime?
I don't think my man would love that, you know.
Okay then, so what about your number? I mean, we could just be friends on WhatsApp.
Pete, you know what? I'm gonna have to take a rain check on that. You know what I mean? I'll definitely see you around, Pete. But thank you very much here. Thank you.
Alright, no problem.
So you're coming? You're good, mama? No, sir. I want to look at this damn boy, Dennis. He won't stop calling the phone, man.
Lord Jesus, still, it's unbelievable. Then supposed to do something with him.
Girl, suppose me to give me good. That me I said to her. 12 o'clock, the boy I call my phone. Paul let me know what to do.
The boy a stalker.
Jigala say my hear my phone ring at night time. Work me if I tell him, me can't keep on and do this.
So girl, where go do about it?
Me say me I go meet him.
Think that's
swear.
a good idea, Steph?
Boy, it's not a good idea still, but what me go do? I don't know what else to do. Me can't go to the police. Me can't tell Jigga. Me don't know how to tell him because he might think say me a cheat. But the way this boy I go on, me just scared.
Right now, me in the
swear.
same situation because the boy they have some trick up him sleeve. So me say me go to the studio. When I go there, nobody know what the name so.
What you mean? I don't understand that. So him tell us that the studio in work.
Mr. McCuff is surprised with our lunch. Nobody know the name so.
This, I don't like how this sounds. So,
Get it through your head. Nobody, no work there, name so. I was so embarrassed. One day me and go on picnic. I'm gonna take some pictures. Me sure me take some selfie with him. And girl, when me reach home and check my phone, nothing in there.
serious?
Nothing in there. Him have something up his sleeve, but me go get to the bottom of it.
Look here, I don't like all this sound, I swear. Because I don't know what going on in our life.
I know me can't get not even one picture of the boy. But me I get to the bottom of it.
Alright, me I go in go cook babes dinner. So, me talk to you later.
Alright, me I go home, so look
Alright,
home.
text me, yeah.
My babes, I appreciate everything I do for me when I'm in a prison, babes.
Of course. You know, so me do anything for my man. So you love it, Shane?
Yeah, man, I love chicken. I get him up on insurance.
It good, man. Everything up 100%. Now wait for me just run off or somewhere, you know, maybe Bahamas or Barbados, anywhere in the Caribbean, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm ready, you know. So all you need to do is get a hitman up on him then.
Yeah, definitely. I'ma have that luck. Hitman, me get for deal with it. Good, everything alright, everything well sealed up. I missed you so much, baby.
To be honest,
Yeah.
with all the research and all the testing, everything come back the same. It's not looking good for you. Definitely not looking good.
Jano. God no. That sucks, you know, man.
To be honest, I am really sorry. I wish there was more that we can do for you.
I mean,
with proper finance and funding, it's a possibility that you might can get help elsewhere in terms of abroad.
what you tell me, say, Jack? Oh, Dr. Francis, what you tell me, say, man? Yo, you see them things that you want? That's not part. Tell me, can't them things. You understand? Can't them things. You need to help my man.
Yo, Kush. Yeah, man. We're down at the club. Yo, last night, the day I wait and drop asleep. But tonight, we find a remedy, man. Portion of Red Bull. You think me I'll leave tonight until me see her? Hold on, me see somebody come on. Yo, this look like her again, no? Yo, I swear, cause this look like her, you know? Yo, brother, make me knock you back, man. I see, man. Hey, yeah, passion. Passion. I'm not giving passion in here, don't.
Yeah, call and I me finna ask everybody for me.
You know exactly where I call it. How this thumb drive show up at my house?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know exactly what I talk about. You're too lying. How you try to get money? Because you don't get a dime out of me.
You better try and give me $50,000.
$50,000? You come like a fool. You don't get a dime out of me. You know, say, oh, I'm a friend of my shutter. So if you try to extort me, that not going to work, here.
You need to check your circle.
Check my circle? What am I supposed to mean? I'm sorry about this, here.
My name is Andrene Blake. Thank you so much for watching Choices, the web series. I am so happy to be a part of something positive that is happening in Jamaica. Alright? If you so like what we're doing, please, all I'm asking you to do is just click the link in the bio to donate to our GoFund. All right? Thank you so much for watching Choices. You can find me on Facebook at Andrene Blake. You can also find me on Instagram at IslandGirl_Jamaica. Make sure you like, subscribe, and be sure to share. All right? Thank you so much, everybody. Hello to all my fans out there.
Me I go cut off the strings of Babylon, know it midnight. Babylon, you try so hard to wreck me life, but Jah not sleep. Him here when me weak, him give me strength when the system get me weak. Control them, want take control. Where them I go with them one world order. Them can't compete with superior power. Control them, want take control. A robot and stool them a build up in a this, and a implant chip to trick go down with the evil practice. Important information, definitely my Babylon have tight connection. So to elude the whole nation, them create all type of denomination. Wicked deeds them a program, but war in front of face, then them gather as one. It's a conspiracy, cause all of them a put them lips on one man hand. Control, them want take control. Where them a go with them